Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For starters, I have missed you guys so much. I apologize, but so much stuff came up. Now, I am not completely moved in yet. That won't happen till December, but I will be doing all of my videos here. I've got most of my stuff moved over here for doing the videos and stuff like that. But of course, you got cleanup, you got to move, you got to store things. There's just so much to do, especially when you're moving in with somebody. You want to keep your stuff in storage and all that. So it's just been really hectic. And then the first week in, like moving some of my stuff, I got really sick with the cold. And this thing has been lingering for almost 4 weeks. We all know when you get a cold, it lingers forever. My brother got it first, and then I got it, and then my husband got it, and it's just been lingering for all of us. And then about 2.5 weeks in, we started cleaning out the garage to set up a garage sale. We had like 80-degree weather here, and the week that we started it, because we had construction going on, couldn't get anybody in here. The week that we did decide to do it, the following week, it was freezing. It was like 40 and 50-degree weather. The garage sale went well, but it still was so cold. It was horrible, and then I'm getting over a cold, so that was really hard to be outside in that cold weather. But anyway, so that's what happened, and then just, trying to get the move done and all that and the cleanup. I've just been so busy. I really thought I could get back to my channel quick, but I guess when you're in the middle of a move, things do take time. So sorry for that, but thank you guys for all your patience and your kind words. I do see all the emails you guys are leaving me. I'm sorry if I don't get right back to you. It's just that I'm so busy, so I'm not even going to my channel. Sorry I've missed out on a lot of your guys' channel. I will get back to all of that. Again, I'm in the middle of a move, and it's just tough and sick and all of that. And so many doctor appointments, just, annual appointments, but just so many things come up. But I am loving the new place. I was very scared of that change, but I love it. My dog loves it. This is such a big, huge yard. I can't wait to show you guys. I'm going to do a tour of the home and the outside and show you guys everything. And then, of course, my salon. I did do it before, and wait till you guys see the after. It's just phenomenal. I can't wait for you guys to see it. I just love everything. Right behind me here, you still see some boxes. This is my actual room here that me and my husband will be staying in. So I still got boxes I'm unpacking and stuff. And it's just really hectic when you move. I guess I didn't realize this because it's been 20 years since I moved. I lived in that place for 20 years where I was doing all my videos. So it was a long time in one place, and it had been 20 years since I had moved, so I forgot how hard it was. So, but anyways, of course, back then I would have been a kid. I was in my early 20s, and it was easy then to help my parents move and everything. Now it was a lot tougher. So, but I hope by Monday I will be back to my normal routine with my nails and then my keto treats, my keto meals, my live keto. I really miss that. I know a lot of you guys are missing that. And I am missing all of you guys so much. I'm missing my channel. I do have my nails done. This is a design I did. I didn't record this video. It's just a water marble, but I just wanted to show you guys. That's what I'm wearing right now. It's a new set of nails I put on, and I just did shades of blue because I love blue. Tried to record the video. I actually do have the video up, but because I didn't do the toe design with it and the outfit with it, I'm just going to scratch that, and you guys will see my very first awesome design for October. And because the weather's been so cold here, I'm doing a fall look. I'm going into all my fall looks, and then we'll go into winter looks. So, and winter will be here shortly. In Minnesota here, we get snow like the end of October to the beginning of November. So, yeah, we're going to have snow pretty soon. So then I probably won't be doing too many videos outside. Maybe we'll do some of the stuff here where, where I live or whatever, or maybe out on the deck out here. I got to show you this place. It's just phenomenal. It's like a mansion. It's just beautiful. So, but anyways, I'm loving my life. Everything's coming together really well. Just keep praying for me. Thank you for all your love and support and prayers. Like I said, for being concerned how I'm doing very well. Thank you. Prayers really work well. So, again, I will get back to all of your guys' channel as soon as I can get functioning again and get back to my channel. And like I said, I hope it will be this Monday coming up, which would be, let's see, today that I'm recording this is the 4th. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, so 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. So the 8th, I believe, I'll be back. If not, it'll be one more week after that. But I believe I'll be able to come back on the 8th. So I will try really hard. So I love you guys. I miss you. God bless. Take care. And I will see each and every one of you in my next video.